everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Alright, we're going to do what I hope is a quickie video today. I haven't shown you yet, as I promised I would, how I use my anti-static bag. This one came in the Craft Haven craft box, but I have used a different one before, same idea. So I'm just going to show you this real quick like. I have a couple empty bottles. I have a couple different gorgeous glitters in a pouch that I want to transfer to the bottles. And we will start off by showing you what most of us face when we try and do this. First, I'm going to try and do it without, spilling too much glitter, hopefully. There are some folks who cut out the bottom corner, and let it fall that way instead of trying to pour it. These bags are a little tricky to do that with, so I'm just going to do this the pouring out the top way. See if I can get most of that out of there. Not spilling too much of it. Okay, so that's pretty typical, and we have a whole bunch left in the bag, which is also pretty typical. And it's hard because this stuff is not cheap, so it's really frustrating to have to just pitch it because you can't get it out of the bag. So this is where these little anti-static bags come in. I will link to one below. Obviously, Craft Haven sells them. I'll link to that. I'll also link to the other one that I purchased on Amazon. But you drop your little anti-static bag into the bag of glitter, and you basically shake it up. And you can see already that the glitter is no longer really sticking to the side of the bag like it was. And then you open the bag back up, the bag of glitter back up, pull out your anti-static bag, which you will have to clean off so you don't get your glitters crossed, and then you go ahead and pour the rest of your glitter out. It is now no longer stuck to the side of the bag. It's obviously not perfect. You can see there are a few bits of glitter left, but I did get a lot more out than I would have otherwise. Some people are slightly, you can see there's a little bit of white powder in there, dust. And that's basically what's going on here. This is dusting the inside of the glitter bag with just some very fine powder. Like cornstarch, I believe. It doesn't really say on the bag. It says talc free, so it's not talcum powder. I'm guessing it's cornstarch or something like that. A lot of people who use these bags swear that it does not interfere with your glitter in the least. I don't see any in the jar, even though, a little bit may have come with the glitter that I just put in the jar. But the glitter looks good. Good to go. Put my top on. Voila. Okay, next up, we will do this again with Lavender Lush. Both of these glitters I grabbed today happen to be from Sandy's Organized Chaos or SOC Glitters. I'll link to them below too because they're gorgeous, gorgeous glitters. I'll start by getting a piece of tape. I just use painter's tape usually. Any tape will do. And I take the glitter bits off that are left behind. In this case, I don't think it would contaminate because both glitters I grabbed are purple, but to be fair, and certainly if they were different colors, you definitely want to do that. Okay, so we have our clean anti-static bag there. Now we will move on and do the same thing with the next bag of glitter. Oops. Hopefully I won't knock everything over. All right. So here we go again. And I'm tapping the bag. I'm attempting to get everything out I can this way first, but there is some left behind. It's kind of a rainy spring humidity day today, so this is worse in the winter than it is right now. This being the static cling problem with glitter. So this would have been really really necessary during the winter, a little less so now. You just basically shake the bag up so it has a chance to come in contact with the glitter and the rest of the bag. And, whoops, and then you open the bag back up. Take out your anti-static bag, like that. And then, once again, get the rest of the glitter out, or a lot more than you had before. So the stuff that was already stuck up there stayed up there, but I got a lot more out of the bag. And there's no powder visible. Glitter looks gorgeous. So that's basically in a nutshell. Again, I will link to everything below, the powders, the glitter, or I mean the different bags where I've gotten them from. Sandy's glitters, because these are beautiful. Clean your bag off and you're ready to go for next time. And when you're not using it, I recommend putting it back in the little bag that you get it in, just to keep the powder from getting on other things. It's ready for next time. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.